Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we update an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So today we are going to talk about TENAZ mining application. TENAZ is a new project which we are currently mining in the crypto space. So a few weeks ago, this particular application has been implemented to the community, but due to the high maintenance going on this particular application, it was down, as in it was not functioning, but currently is not functioning properly. So do well to check on the description of this video. Then you definitely see a link and you update your application, then you start mining right away. There will be a referral code if you have not registered before, then you make use of that as your invitation code, which will make you to get what they call welcome bonus. So there's not much information concerning this particular application right now because it's a new project. The only thing you need to notice is that the mining rate is on the high side. So as you can see, currently we are earning 3.125 by hour. So times 24 hours, you know how much you are going to earn in 24 hours. So and another thing you need to understand is that it ends every 24 hours. So it means you need to come to the application every 24 hours to reactivate it. So another thing you need to understand is your referral team. The amount that your referrals is earning, you are going to earn 0.125 as your reward in any activity of your team member. And also there's what they call daily security check-in. So you need to check it every 24 hours, then you receive 1.500 points, and also you are going to earn 3.00 points in 9 hours. So that is the only thing you need to understand. Which is another thing is the white paper. White paper is a place where they reveal to you the joining of the token, the joining of the projects. They will reveal to you everything. They will going to reveal to you on the white paper. So for this video not to be too long, we are not going to click on that for now. As you can see, white paper is over here. And another thing is announcement. Announcement is a place where they present to you what you need to do and what you need to understand. But for now, there's not much information on the announcements. But if you click on this link, it will take you to the official YouTube channel. You're going to watch and listen to what I have to say. So, but that is not for today. So that is all I have for you in this particular project. So another thing you need to understand is this project called Green Point or Chain Grid. Chain Grid is a new project which is currently mining. We are currently mining the project as of now because it's a project that have been in existence for years now. But for me, I recently joined this particular project. That is why I need to share it with you, my community. So the only thing you need to understand is that this particular token ends every 24 hours and the total supply of this token is 100 million, which means the total supply is very limited. It means it will have a good potential according to their promise. So and the mining rate is very, very low. As you can see in the previous video, I have shown you that in a mining space like this, there will be what they call halving. So when halving occurs, it decreases the amount of number that you are earning by hour. So currently you are earning 0.01 grade by hour. So that means that the mining rate is very, very low. So you have to be active always. So and another thing is, if you want to increase your mining rate, you need to refer your friends and family. And another thing is that the total miners is 30k users, and also we have active miners as 20k, and the country that support this particular token or this particular project is 176 countries. So if you want to find out more, you can go ahead and check the white paper. So here is the country who participates in this particular project. So you can go ahead and make use of this as an invitation code upon registering your application, your account. So you make use of this as your invitation code, and you can click on this link and you copy your referral link and share it to your friends as well. And another thing you need to understand is that KYC is on the way. So they have not implemented the point of KYC. That means that you need to make use of your real document, your real name, for you to carry out your KYC when time comes. So for now, KYC is not yet highlighted. So for now, keep on mining and keep on participating in every activity in this particular side project. So for instance, you can join the Telegram, the Twitter, the Instagram. You can do well to join the social handle, and upon doing that, you're going to earn 5 green points in each task that you perform, and you need to come every 24 hours to check what they call daily check-in. So daily check-in is where you earn by joining the daily check-in. So, and you can as well watch the advertisements. You are going to earn more of the project. So that is how to interact with this particular project. So remember that this project is every 24 hours. You're going to every 12 hours, then you're going to come and reactivate your application. So do well to check on the description of this video, and you'll definitely find a link that will lead you to this particular project. So that is all I have for you for today. If you love what we do in this particular channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we update an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So share it to your friends and family, and have a nice day and be blessed. One love. Bye.